We are pleased to show you the 2015 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, remote vehicle start, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.